Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Google Play Store on Windows 11. Let's get started. Next, enable the required Windows features. Open Windows Features and enable Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. If your edition supports Hyper-V, enable it as well. After enabling these features, restart your PC. If Windows Subsystem for Android is still available for your version of Windows, install it from Microsoft Store or follow Microsoft-supported installation method. If it is no longer available in your region or has been retired for your version, you can use an actively maintained Android subsystem project instead. For newer Windows 11 builds where the original subsystem is unavailable, use a trusted, actively maintained Android subsystem project. Download the latest release from its official repository. Run the installer as administrator. The installer will automatically configure the Android environment. This process may take several minutes. Once completed, restart your computer if prompted. After installation finishes, launch the Android subsystem. You'll now see the Google Play Store icon. Open it and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, you'll have access to millions of Android applications. Let's test it. Search for an app like any game. Click Install. After downloading, the app will appear in the Windows Start menu just like any normal Windows application. You can pin it to the taskbar and launch it anytime. That's it. You now know how to install Google Play Store on Windows 11 and run Android apps directly on your computer. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.